Welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. Hot chocolate मेरी favorite drink है और मौसम ठंडा हो तो और भी मज़ा आता है. इसको बनाना भी बहुत आसान है. तो चलें फिर. हॉट चॉकलेट बनाने के लिए हमें ये चाहिए. 2 cups milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, and some marshmallows. तैयार हैं? Let's go. First we pour the milk, chocolate powder, and sugar into the saucepan. Now, bring it to a boil on top of a stove. Now we pour the mix into a mug. Garnish with marshmallows and enjoy. Ta-da! And you're all done. Hot chocolate Sprinkles and Magic style is ready. Yummy! Here's an interesting food fact for you. Did you know chocolate was so expensive in Europe? Because the cocoa beans only grew in South America? When sweet-tasting hot chocolate was invented in the 17th century, it became a luxury drink for the European nobility. Try and make some yummy hot chocolate and let me know how you did. And remember, slurp it, don't burp it. Enjoy. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.